Now we will study parallel grouping of capacitors or capacitors in parallel. The capacitors are said to be connected in parallel between 2 points if we can proceed from one point to another along different paths. A number of capacitors are said to be connected in parallel between 2 points if we can proceed from one point to another along different paths. In this figure, three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2, C3, they are connected in parallel between 2 points A and B. Let V is the potential difference applied across the combination. As the potential difference is same across the three capacitors, therefore charge on them will be different as Q is equal to CV. As potential difference is same, but as their capacitances are different, therefore charge on them will be different. Therefore let Q1, Q2, Q3 is charge on three capacitors. Therefore Q1 will be C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, and Q3 is equal to C3V. If Q is the total charge on parallel network, then as the total charge is sum of charges on all the capacitors, therefore will be equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Let Cp is the equivalent capacitance in parallel. That is the capacity of a single capacitor which would acquire the same total charge Q under the same potential difference V. Cp is the equivalent capacitance in parallel. This means this is the capacitance of single capacitor which would acquire the same charge Q when a same potential difference V is applied across it. Therefore Q is equal to CPV. Now as Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, therefore putting the value of Q from here, CPV, putting the value of Q1 from here, Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is C2V, and Q3 is C3V. Therefore this becomes CPV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. V is common, it comes outside, C1 plus C2 plus C3. V से V cancel हो जाएगा. Therefore Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, or Cp is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n Ci. Therefore in parallel combination of networks, in the parallel combination of capacitors, equivalent capacitance in parallel is equal to sum of capacitances of individual capacitors. Total capacitance in parallel or equivalent capacitance in parallel, this is equal to sum of capacitances of individual capacitors. Therefore we see that Cp is greater than C1, C2, C3. ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ C1, C2, C3. Cp की जो वैल्यू है C1, C2, C3 में जो सबसे बड़ा है उससे भी ज्यादा होगी. Therefore Cp is greater than greatest of C1, C2, C3. Therefore total capacitance in parallel combination increases.